as someone who is really busy and very eco-conscious and doesn't have a lot of space in my laundry room, these laundry detergent sheets that were sent to me by the company to create a video to show you an insider's look, what to expect, so you can make an informed purchase decision, couldn't be any better. So we've been using these particular ones. These are hypoallergenic, which is awesome because I'm very sensitive to a lot of different types of chemicals and stuff in the laundry. This particular scent is Fresh Breeze. And I have to say, when we first opened the box, and like I said, we've been using it for a little while now, it does smell very strong when you first open the package just because they're super concentrated. And so you can actually do 64 loads with this. When you put it through, it will die down and it comes out leaving your laundry so fresh smelling. I absolutely love it. The way it works, in case you're not familiar with these, so for a small load, you would just use a half sheet they can tear. And if you have it like heavily, like they say, heavily soiled, then you want to use 2 sheets, which would be 2 of these. So 1 and 2. This is considered 1 sheet, and you could just divide it up if you have a small one, and for like regular size you would just use a full sheet, which is 2 halves. So it's really nice. All you do is you just throw it into the laundry top loader. Just goes right in. You don't have to put it on top of the clothes, just throw it in on the bottom and then put the clothes in and run it like you normally would. Another thing that we actually kind of discovered, not intending to, was we actually had some sheets that had some not bad odors, but some smells from my mother-in-law's house that we just kind of had a hard time getting out. My husband has a very sensitive nose and he could still smell it. And ironically, when we used these, it really did take that smell out, and he couldn't smell it anymore, of the old house smell. So I just thought that was really cool, so I thought I would mention that. I'm not guaranteeing that it will take out smells, but I'm just saying that was based on our experience. It actually did help. So I hope that you found this video really, really helpful. Thanks for watching.